Hello friend, 4 years is going to complete but still we don't know that what exactly happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. 14 June 2020 when news came that he has suicide.
राजपूत ने सुसाइड किया और फांसी लगाकर उन्होंने खुदकुशी की है। ये बड़ी खबर आ रही है बॉलीवुड से, बहुत हैरान करने वाली खबर है। हाल ही करेंगे मुंबई के बांद्रा में अपने घर में सुशांत ने जान दी है। सुशांत सिंह
Then after that ED and CBI enter in this case, but right now it seems like these two agencies they are not working in our country. The fans, family, everybody want to know that what exactly happened on that day, but we have no any answer. Interesting thing is that you can also imagine that right now in a media or a newspaper there is no any single article or a question the media or a newspaper has asked to a CBI that what happened on that day, because everybody know that in Sushant Singh case the big Bollywood celebrity name was coming. That's the reason that they have tried to suppress this case, and you can say that they got a success, because right now it seems like that this case is totally closed. What do you think, guys, that in reality Sushant Singh Rajput had suicide? If I will talk about myself, so I will never believe. If God will come to me and he will say that that was a suicide, still I will not believe. Because the boy who was a multi-talented, who gave a lesson to other people, who was the inspiration for the youth,
जो हम सबको बताना चाह रहे हैं कि आप इस देश में चाहे कहीं से भी हो, चाहे आपकी परिस्थिति कैसी भी हो, लेकिन अगर आप में सपने देखने की काबिलियत है और किसी भी तरीके से आप अपने आप को अगर कन्विंस कर दे कि ये सच होगा, तो फिर वो सच हो जाता है.
How could that boy suicide? Because Sushant Singh Rajput was that kind of a people who believe on it today. He enjoy every moment of the present time and he try to find a happiness in a small thing. So how could that people can suicide? How can people forget his role in MS Dhoni movie? Because MS Dhoni, that is a very big name, but everybody know that what a great role played by Sushant Singh Rajput in that movie.
सर हम सोच रहे थे कि हम कर क्या रहे. हम एक क्रिकेटर हैं लेकिन टीसी का काम कर रहे हैं खड़गपुर स्टेशन पे. ये बात नहीं है कि हमको ये काम छोटा लगता है सर, लेकिन हमको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हम यहाँ से आगे कैसे खेलेंगे. रोज हमारी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है सर, हम ही जानते हैं.
He had made an effort for this movie. The reason that another Bollywood celebrity cannot see that how a boy who is from a Bihar without nepotism, he can make a big name in the Bollywood. See this clip that how they behave with Sushant Singh Rajput.
मिस्टर कायपोचे ऊपर आ जाओ. हेलो हेलो.
फिर बोल क्या नाम क्या इसका?
ये सुशांत सिंह राजपूत है.
अबे नाम है कि पूरा एड्रेस है?
सर सुशी कह दीजिए, शॉर्ट फॉर्म है.
एक्चुअली यहाँ सुश भी है, शांत भी है. ये क्या बातचीत करेगा?
लोग कहते हैं कि ऑलराउंडर है और एक्टिंग के साथ साथ सुना है थोड़ा डांस वांस भी अच्छा कर लेता है, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं.
अरे इसी के घर के 2-4 लोग कहते हैं. डांस की बात हो रही थी.
हाँ सर.
तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत है कि शायद से बेटे डांस करो. तुम्हारे सामने डांस की बात कोई कर सकता है यार?
सर आप भी. 2, 3, 4 रोते हुए को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे.
थोड़ा टेम्पो हाई करो ना.
डांस कर. सुलझा देंगे का मांझा, का मांझा.
थोड़ा अलग.
अरे क्या अलग? तेरा ही तो गाना था, बजाया है तूने, ये डांस किया बेकार में.
Lots of people will say that was only a joke, just they try to make a fun, that's why they have behaved like that. So I want to ask that have you ever seen this kind of behavior with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan? If that was a joke, then why only with Sushant Singh Rajput? Why not with the Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan? Just this drug addict Bollywood was thinking about the MS Dhoni movie. They got another shock after watching a blockbuster movie, Chichore. What a great movie was that. In that movie, the Sushant Singh Rajput has played a unique role and gave a lesson of the life.
सक्सेस के बाद का प्लान सबके पास है, लेकिन अगर गलती से फेल हो गए तो फेलियर से कैसे डील करना है, कोई बात ही नहीं करना चाहता. बेटा इतना मार्क्स ले आओ, ये वाला कॉलेज मिलेगा. बेटा वो कॉलेज चले जाओ, ये वाला जॉब मिलेगा. अरे 10 लाख बच्चे बैठते हैं, 10,000 बच्चों का सिलेक्शन होता है. 9,90,000 बच्चे, उनको लगता है कि वो एग्जाम में नहीं, वो लाइफ में फेल हो रहे हैं भाई.
This movie had earned a 250 crore worldwide and became the blockbuster movie. This movie got a National Film Award in the Best Feature Film in Hindi. So this a small step of the Sushant Singh Rajput was a big problem for the drugs addict Bollywood celebrity. That's why something happened with Sushant Singh Rajput which is a hidden, and there is a no guarantee that in future the truth will come out. Bollywood politics and nepotism has taken a Sushant Singh Rajput life, but still our love for him is not decreased, because every year just on his date everybody will come and just discuss that why it's happened. Then after that no one will discuss about it. That the reason that last 4 years the same thing was happening. That the reason that right now we did not get a justice, because you know, if the Sushant Singh Rajput will get a justice, so you cannot imagine that how much a big Bollywood drugs addict the Bollywood will come into a jail. So this is all about the video, guys. So I will meet with you in another video. Till then, Jai Hind.